Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn alphabet and numbers. Let's trace and paint them together. A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5 Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for airplane. It flies in the sky. B is for baby. Sometimes it may cry. C is for clock. It tells you the time. D is for diamond. See how it shines. E is for elephant, bigger than me. One baby arrives. Two tiny hands hold. Three sweet kisses given. Four cozy blankets wrap. Five flowers bloom. A B C D E 1 2 3 4 5. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.